Let's get your Spectrum Internet up and running with the Self-Install Kit. The kit includes essential components for setup. First, connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the modem. Ensure the connection is secure and fully screwed in. Next, plug in the power adapter to turn on the modem. Watch for the lights to stabilize. This may take a few minutes as the modem connects. Once stable, use an Ethernet cable to connect a device directly to the modem for initial activation, or proceed with Wi-Fi setup via the Spectrum app. The enhanced self-install kits feature Wi-Fi 7 compatible routers for faster speeds. Place the modem in an open area for optimal signal, ensure cables are snug, and recycle the packaging. Now, activate your service using the Spectrum app. Scan the QR code on the modem or enter your account details. The app will verify your service eligibility and run automated diagnostics. If any issues arise, the app offers video tutorials or connects you to live chat support. Once activated, you can configure your Wi-Fi settings through the app. Set up your network name, SSID, password, and security protocol, WPA3 is recommended. The app also allows advanced options like guest networks and parental controls. Consider adding a Wi-Fi extender, often included in the kit for larger homes, to eliminate dead zones. Remember, 70% of self-installs now use mesh Wi-Fi systems. For small businesses, this ensures a reliable Wi-Fi for point-of-sale systems. If you're in a rural area and experiencing signal issues, the app may guide you through satellite augmentation.